Righto, Telly there champs. Now you may have a device from, the last few years, maybe 2-3 years, whether it's your phone, your laptop, your PC, whatever, and it doesn't matter, Mac, PC, Android, iOS, chances are you're going to be using Wi-Fi, right? And we're going to have something that's going to next level your Wi-Fi. And did you see what ROG released at CES? Yes, the ROG GT-AX6000. Whoa, if that thing ain't going to be my next router, I'll go he. But that thing's going to be mega expensive. But this one we're looking at today is the ROG GT-AX6000. And this is sort of like the best bang for buck. You get everything you need. And I'll give you the tip right now. If you have been using your internet service provider's Wi-Fi router, this is going to be next level if you buy this thing here. I mean, if you've got all these new devices, why are you using your ISP router for a start? Have you even updated the firmware in it? This is what you need if you've got a new PC, laptop, phone, whatever, to get the most out of it. Now this one here is dual band Wi-Fi 6. It has a 2 GHz 4-core CPU, so that's more than enough processing power there. It has two 2.5 gig Ethernet ports, and you can link aggregate not only the LAN, the WAN ports as well. Also, one of those 2.5 gig ports is actually the WAN port. Yes, the WAN port is 2.5 gig. With these ROG routers, you get all these gaming features built into the software, game acceleration. This is all the stuff I will cover in the full review, but even ISPs are woken up, and actually here in Australia, Optus actually give you a good ASUS router if you want a gaming plan. This is what you need if you're a gamer. This also has one USB 3 and one USB 2, AI mesh, and it's AI mesh 2.0, so it is the best mesh in my opinion. We will test out the mesh, the range, and actually how fast we can transfer files from the USB and over my 10 gig network. So this is dual band, so you get 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Put all your gaming stuff on the 5 GHz and stuff that needs range. Go to the 2.4. Stay tuned for this, and definitely stay tuned for later in the year when I get the GT-AX6000. I should get one of those in for review, and I got to tell you, if it's any good, I'll be definitely buying that one. And this one here is great bang for buck. It's everything you need. It actually looks cool, doesn't it? It has the 4 antennas, and it actually supports Aura Sync. So if you have ROG gaming gear, you know what that is. So anyway, stay tuned for my full review of this. I just got to say, if you're on your ISP Wi-Fi, come on. It's about time you updated. This is the sort of thing you want to be looking at. So until the next video on this product, I'll catch you in the next one. Tally ho.